Hi, Amanda here from Surfers Paradise Hairwraps and Braiding. This is my daughter Savannah. I'm about to show you one of our most popular products. I pre-prepared Savannah's hair in a high ponytail. I've used these really cool little elastics. I love them because they're strong and they don't break. These can be bought from our website www.hairwrapsandbraiding.com.au. And what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you this really cool hairpiece. So we call it a ponytail extension. It comes in a variety of amazing colours and it comes in curly and straight. Savannah's chosen again this beautiful turquoise colour which goes from that deep blue down to that green ocean colour. So a very popular choice. Now this is very easy for you to do at home. It comes with this handy little comb at the back. So what you do is you just tip that in like that so that that comb will keep that in place while you take the hair ties around the back and under that ponytail. Just take your time and then bring them out. Savannah's got these curls, so I've just got to be very careful not to get them in the hair tie, and then just make that really, really tight at the top. Take it around again. Just keep going around, pulling it tight as you go, around and under at the back, and then around to the front again, okay? And we're just going to do that in a really tight little knot to hold that in place. A knot or a bow. I'll do a bow because then it's easier to take out. So just tie that together like that. Okay, so that's in. Okay, you can either leave it like that, which is absolutely gorgeous, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it a step further for you. Look at all those curls. So just to make that look a bit nicer, we're going to take a bit of hair just from underneath here, and we're going to tie that around that bow so you can't see it. Okay, so it's going to go around like that and over that black bow. Keep going until you run out of hair, and you just need a couple of bobby pins just to secure that. And I'm just going to secure that underneath. So take it to the back like that. I've got these pretty little bobby pins that I found with little love hearts on, and I'm just going to tie that back like that. There's one. And I'll just do the other one just to make sure that that's not going to come out. And two. Okay. So just push those in nice and tight. And that looks a lot more professional. Bring your hair round to the front and show off your bright and colourful ponytail. So like I said, you can buy these on our website www.hairwrapsandbraiding.com.au, or my Facebook page, Surfers Paradise Hairwraps and Braiding, or on Instagram, which is @hairwrapsandbraiding. Thank you so much. Amanda from Surfers Paradise Hairwraps and Braiding, and my beautiful daughter Savannah. Thanks for watching. Have fun.